video I will be going to teach about color coding of carbon resistance of class 12 topic. First of all, we need to understand what resistor is. So what is a resistor? Basically a component whose function in a circuit is to provide a specified value of resistance is called a resistor. A resistor is a part of a circuit which is used to provide a specified value of the resistance in the circuit is known as a resistor. Basically, you can see here the diagram of a resistor. It has four coloring. First coloring is this, second is this, third is this, and fourth one is this. Here you can see the picture of what a typical resistor looks like. Basically, by viewing these colors, we need to determine the value of the resistance of this particular resistors. I am repeating once again. By viewing the colors of the coding or the color bands of this resistor, you need to determine the value of the resistance of this resistor. Here you are seeing band A, that is first digit. Band B, that one is your red color, second digit. Band C, which is used to multiply, so it is known as a multiplier. And band 4, it's a tolerance. Okay, it shows the uncertainty in your measurement. Now you need to understand what a typical chart of this resistor color coding of carbon resistance looks like, and we will going to determine the value of resistance of a particular resistor, whether it has different color combinations. So let us see first. So this is the chart which you are seeing on your screen. Here you need to remember this particular mnemonic so that you can understand the concepts of this color coding of carbon resistance. So very good. Here you are seeing that BB Roy, Great Britain, very good vibe. Here B bold, R O Y G B V G W. Basically here B denotes for black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, and this is the combination you need to learn about. You need to learn this particular combination to remember the sequence of the color coding of a carbon resistor. Okay, basically you have seen here that band A and band B. So in this particular slide you need to know that black represents 0. Okay, black represents 0, brown represents 1, red represents 2, orange represents 3, yellow represents 4, green represents 5, blue represents 6, violet represents 7, gray 8, white 9. 0 to 9 you need to remember what the specific figure for the specific their corresponding color. This is the color coding of a carbon resistance, and it's so much funny. And in previous slides you have seen the third one. Here this is the third one, which is known as a band C, and I have told you earlier that it's a multiplier. What? Multiplier, which is used to multiply with the band A and band B combination. Here in this particular slide, if there will be a black, then 10 raised to the power 0, brown 10 raised to the power 1, red 10 raised to the power 2, orange 10 raised to the power 3, yellow 10 raised to the power 4, green 10 raised to the power 5, blue 10 raised to the power 6, violet 10 raised to the power 7, gray 10 raised to the power 8, white 10 raised to the power 9. This is the multiply you need to understand, and it's super fun to draw this particular chart. You need just to remember about BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, and you write this and you write the colors, specific name of that particular color, figure A comma B 0 to 9, multiply 10 raised to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to the 9. And in the previous slide, I have told you earlier that this fourth or band D represented tolerance, uncertainty in your measurement. So tolerance, if you have any gold color, so the uncertainty will be positive, negative 5%. and if it is silver, positive negative 10%. If it is no color, it denotes no color, then positive negative 20%. Here is a perfect example how to remember the sequence of a color coding. Okay, now I will be going to solve a particular question where I have given some particular colors of the color bands, and we need to find out the resistance of this particular resistor. The first band represents yellow color, second red, third brown, gold. So I've told you first one, if it is A, so first see yellow, yellow is written fourth, so you will write here 4. Now for B, you need to write the same number, but here you are seeing that it is red, so red 2, so here you will write 2. Then we have a multiplier band C, brown, here you are seeing 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 1. Positive negative, gold is the tolerance here 5%, okay, and the unit will be here ohm. So this is the value of the resistance of this particular resistor. Okay, now the second one, this is the similar question, but we have different colors here. So basically you are seeing there here that the band 1 is violet, band 2 green, band 3 blue, band 4 silver. So for first and second we need to find out the corresponding value. For violet 7, so here you will write 7. For green, here you will find out 5, so 5. Multiply, then comes blue, 10 raised to the power 6, 10 raised to the power 6. Silver, positive negative, and for silver you have 10%, and you will write the unit here ohm, and R is equal to, this is the final value of the resistance of this particular resistor. Now the next one question, this is the similar questions like that. Here you have brown, orange, gray, no color. So from the chart you will see that the brown one is 1, orange is 3, then multiply, gray is 10 to the power 8 ohm, positive negative, there is no color. I have told you to write about 20% as the uncertainty. So this is your final value of the resistance of this particular resistor. I hope that you got the point how to find the resistance of a color coding by seeing only the color codes of a carbon resistor. So in this way you can find out easily in your examinations, in the daily applications of the electronics branch of the physics as well, and in your CBSE class 12th examination. Thanks a lot for watching the video.